nature has always had the ability to recover. After fires, floods, and even ice ages, ecosystems were able to rebuild themselves over time. But today, scientists are clear. Nature is being damaged again before recovery can even begin. The problem is not the disturbance itself, it is the absence of recovery time. Ecological recovery is a slow process by definition. Healthy soil takes centuries to form. Forests require decades, sometimes centuries, to return. Coral reefs may need 20 to 50 years to recover under stable conditions. Human activity, however, can undo these processes in a matter of years, or even months. Ecosystems need relatively stable temperatures, predictable rainfall, and consistent seasonal rhythms to recover. Instead, they now face repeated heat waves, prolonged droughts, and extreme weather events. Without periods of stability, ecosystems never get a chance to rest and rebuild. Soil is a living system supported by microorganisms, fungi, and nutrient cycles. Erosion, chemical pollution, and compaction reduce this living foundation. When soil loses its biological activity, recovery above ground slows dramatically or stops altogether. Many of the organisms responsible for recovery are also disappearing. Pollinators, seed-dispersing birds, and soil insects play essential roles in natural regeneration. As these species decline, recovery mechanisms become incomplete. Weakened ecosystems also fall into self-reinforcing cycles. As vegetation declines, soil becomes exposed, erosion increases, water runs off faster, and conditions worsen even further. Each step makes recovery harder than the last. Fragmentation adds another layer of difficulty. When forests and grasslands are divided by roads, cities, and farmland, genetic exchange decreases and species movement becomes limited. Chemical pollution further slows healing. Heavy metals and pesticides persist in soils and waters, harming the very organisms responsible for regeneration. Nature may try to recover, but the environment remains toxic. Scientific evidence shows that recovery is only possible once stressors are removed, not while they continue. Many ecosystems are now approaching ecological tipping points. Once certain thresholds are crossed, systems may not return to their previous state, instead transforming into entirely different landscapes. Nature is not exhausted from working too hard. It is exhausted from being damaged too often.